Okay, so this is my third time recording this video because I tried to use a different camera and it was unsuccessful. It had no stability. Um, the noise was terrible because my neighbor's dog was barking, the birds were chirping, the gardeners were going again. But pretty much what I'm gonna do is just go all around the car from the exterior to the interior, and then you guys, if you guys can comment down below and guess how much we paid for this vehicle, that'd be awesome. Okay, so let's get started with that. Okay, first things first, we're gonna start off right here. So there's a big ding here. Clearly there was a collision at some point in this Land Cruiser's life. Other than that, it's really solid here in the front. Unfortunately, the hood doesn't have much clear coat left anymore, and it has like little stains. It definitely needs a good detail. The windshield is solid, no cracks. All right, the fender's a little damaged over here too. These tires have a lot of thread. Is it called thread or tread? I don't know, but they do have a lot left over. But unfortunately they are dry rotted, so this would have to be something I would have to replace eventually, sadly, because look at that, they have a lot of meat left. But all right, let's move over here. Looking good. Let's see. And then right here is another little ding. And then again, good tires, just dry rotted. I don't know if you guys could see that on the video, but yeah, man, it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna upgrade the size anyway. These are 31s. All right. Here's the back. Solid as well. No dings over here. Just well, I guess a little scrape over here. Mainly this car is what is this? The clear coat. The clear coat is pretty much like faded everywhere all along the whole car. Let's see the roof. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't. Like, I don't know what's appearing. I'm too short to see, but hopefully that looks good. This side. Again, fading of the clear coat. Little ding here. Some of the seals have been trying to come off. This part came off, but it's in the back seat. Again, so sad. But it's a super solid vehicle. Like, honestly, look at that. And then the clear coat again. But it doesn't matter, you know why? Because we're gonna take it off-roading anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, let's move inside. Okay, so this panel looks great up until you get to this corner. Looks like some of the moisture from the sunroof went down and damaged these areas. Somebody stapled it. But other than that, look at that. That looks amazing. No cracks. Okay, the carpet obviously has its wear, but it has really good life left. Normal wear and tear, you know. Damn, it's pretty bad right there, but it's okay. It's good in the other areas. This little handle is really dry rotted. Okay, so this is by the stereo area. It's in really good condition. Some cracks here, a little bit up here. This is kind of cracking a little bit. And you know, the greatest of the greatest cup holders ever made right there. Some trash that I have. Bunch of stuff in here too. Sorry, I have a mess in here. These are the rears. This is super solid. Like, honestly, it just needs a good cleanup and then it'll be perfect. Little ashtray. The carpet, man. This car looks so good still. Like, oh look, has a little system. Little amp over there. Awesome. Another great cup holder. Look at that. The seats are really mint. They just need some shampooing for sure. Okay. And these little step stools, or I don't even know what they're called, but they're for the Land Cruiser. I got them on offer up for 20 bucks. The guy said he took them off of a Land Cruiser, but he doesn't know what year, so fingers crossed they might fit. If not, I could just resell them, so whatever. All right, these struts are shot, so bear with me. This is the back. The seats are also in good condition. They're just folded at the moment. And this is the POV of the passenger side. No cracks on this side. Needs love for sure. This doesn't work. The latch doesn't close. Only if you do it manually, which is weird. But if I try to close it, it's not this it's not that. Like, look. It's like, what the heck? But you work this way? Like, just come on. It just kind of sucks, but it works when it wants to, but it's broken. I don't know if this is replaceable. If you guys recommend something, comment down below. Wear and tear, a little bit of trash that I dug from under the seat. Same thing over here. It's starting to lift a little because of the water that goes down this little drain pathway, and it somehow got over here. Or who knows, maybe the seals aren't that great, because look at them, they're kind of flat, so that could also be the issue. The seat is in great condition up here, but then as we get down here, it's a little damaged, but nothing a little seat cover can't fix. This is the supervisor. All right, let's move to the rears. Okay, so same, super good condition. These seats are just in need of some love and shampooing. So this system doesn't work because the radio for some reason has no power. I already checked the fuse behind the radio, still nothing, so I gotta look into that. But yeah, this is what it is. There is damage from the sunroof. It does leak, so it's been loosening up the headliner a little bit. Okay, so now that you guys have taken a look at this Land Cruiser, can you guys comment down below and guess how much we paid for this vehicle? Thank you guys, and have a nice rest of your day, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.